Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add extra baggage in Batik Air using the Batik Air mobile app. First, download and open the Batik Air app on your iOS or Android device. On the home screen, tap Manage Bookings. Then, click Add Trip and enter your booking reference and last name to find your flight. Once your booking appears, tap Add Baggage. You can top up your baggage in 5 kilogram increments up to 30 kilogram. Choose your desired weight, proceed to payment, and after confirming, you'll receive an updated ticket with your new baggage allowance. And that's it. That's how you easily add extra baggage to your Batik Air booking. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.